Modern cars come with a clear coat finish, and properly taken care of, they can last over the service life of the car. Wolfgang has the solution to help you take care of your car's finish. Wolfgang's PROFI Ceramic Coating is a 3-year coating with 9H hardness. Now the word PROFI is German for professional. This is a professional quality ceramic coating, but it's so easy to use. Even a brand new person to ceramic coatings can use it their first time and get professional results. The key to using a coating is always in the prep work. You want to start by washing and drying like you normally would, and then inspect the paint to see if it needs to be clayed. And if it does, then use some detailing clay to remove any above surface bonded contaminants. And then inspect the paint for swirls, and if you discover swirls or scratches, go ahead and do the paint correction step. At this point, you'll be ready to apply the PROFI ceramic coating. Application is as simple as using the Wolfgang Perfekt Finish paint prep. Now, what this does after any correction work is it's going to make sure any polishing oils or other substances are thoroughly removed off the paint finish so the coating can make a proper bond. After you've wiped the car down with the Wolfgang Perfekt Finish paint prep, now it's time to apply the coating. Application is simple. Apply a few drops to a foam applicator block, and then using a crosshatch pattern, apply to a section about 2 foot by 2 foot. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds to enable the coating to flash. You should see a rainbow effect. This is a sign the solvents are evaporating off the car, leaving the coating behind. Then give that section a gentle wipe with a microfiber towel. Inspect it for any high spots, and if you see any, be sure to wipe them off at this point. Then simply repeat this process to the rest of the car. Wolfgang's PROFI ceramic coating is highly chemical resistant. It'll resist things like acid rain and water spots to keep your finish looking newer longer. It also offers 9H hardness, and where this is important is it'll help it to resist normal wear and tear, swirls and scratches from washing, drying, and just using your car in the normal world. This will keep your car swirl-free longer than a normal wax or synthetic sealant. And one of the other things that's really nice about a professional grade coating is it creates a super hydrophobic surface. And this means water's just going to bead up and want to roll away. And how this affects your car is it's going to have a self-cleaning effect. So anytime it rains, it's going to actually self-clean the car to keep it cleaner longer. But it also makes washing and drying faster and easier. There's no downsides to the new Wolfgang PROFI ceramic coating. There's only upsides. Wolfgang PROFI Ceramic Coating is a professional grade coating that can last up to 3 years on your car's paint. But it's so easy to use, even someone brand new to ceramic coatings can get professional grade results. To get your bottle, go to Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.